But in this video, we will be taking these out. Little rain mats or storm mats or whatever you want to call them. I don't even know what these is. We're going to take them mats out, take that nasty plastic off that's trying to become the new carpet, and then we're going to clean this thing out inside and out. That's what we're going to do. We're going to clean this thing inside and out. Actually, not out, but we're going to clean it inside. Because I've already washed the car before for the first wash. This is just to check and see if it had any unknown scratches that I wasn't didn't see when I was taking delivery of it. But yeah, I will put you on a time lapse of me actually washing this car. Not technically for the first time, but we're just gonna say for the first time. I will put you on a time lapse for the first wash, and then this would be the first time that we clean the interior. So yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Let me let's get started. Let me get my HVAC vacuum and get it going. Yeah, take this mat out, clean all that, put the seat all the way back. Actually, the seat is all the way back. Put it all the way forward. Get behind there. Then we gonna clean the trunk. Yeah, we gonna clean all this. I mean, it's already nice and clean. It ain't like it's crazy dirty, but mainly we're gonna do these mats and get this plastic up. Yeah, we're gonna get these mats and get this plastic up, because this plastic is damn near stuck to the carpet. Yeah, nah, we ain't doing that. I'm gonna just clean that up and get some custom mats. Not this. I don't know what this is, but yeah. I'll turn y'all back on once we get done with that. Yes, sir. Okay, so before I get to this side, I already cleaned the other side. The other side is night and day difference. I will show you that after I clean this side. So with this side, it seems like that he spilled something and it exploded. Like a soda, like some type of soda or something, because it seemed like he accidentally shook a can up or a bottle up, and he tried to open it, and he probably slipped out his hand and just dropped, and it was started slowly fizzing out. The reason why I'm saying that is because of all these markings on the side. Even up here, there's like little not necessarily soda markings, but like little drippings of some type of soda or juice that then splattered everywhere. There's all types of marks up here and all that. So I just wanted to show y'all that, because there's stuff all back here, specifically like stuff like that. I feel like he didn't spill some type of drink or something in here for that to look like that. So, and all back here, let me put up the seat. Sure, I can put the seat back. Yep, so y'all already see it right there. So like even that red juice. Let me put the seat back. Drop the GoPro. But even with some of this stuff, this red stuff back here, it just seems like he just spilled some juice back here. I don't know if it was specifically him or the previous owner before him, but whatever it is, neither one of them wanted to clean it up, and both of them knew about it. And yeah, there are little markings back there, probably just because of the over time the seat just been rubbing up against it. Nobody probably really detailed the interior like that. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all this. I didn't even show y'all the other side. The other side had some junk behind here too. I'm gonna clean it, but I would have to take the seat out to actually really get behind there and really put some elbow grease inside there, because with this little space like this, and with the seat not being able to go all the way up, and let alone let the seat recline all the way up, I'm not gonna be able to get back here. But I'm just showing y'all that just so y'all can see the before and after, even though I didn't film this car from the inside quite a bit, so y'all could probably go back and look at the other footage. But this is the before right now, and then I'll show y'all the after when we get back. All right. Yes, sir. So this is what it looks like with the plastic pulled out and the the weather mats pulled out. So we done the passenger side and the driver's side. Passenger side came out, well, not came out, but after I removed the plastic, that passenger side looks way cleaner than the driver's side. Which makes sense because the driver, he was always over here. The previous owner was always over here, so it makes sense on why this is dirty. But it kind of don't make sense at the same time because the plastic was covering all this stuff up. So I'm like, what happened? But hopefully this stuff is easy to scrape up. We gonna see. We gonna put my mobile detailing skills to the challenge and we gonna get this fixed. We gonna get this looking right. So yeah, I'm get this cleaned up. If it starts taking me too long, I'm gonna just show y'all what I have done. But I ain't finna go too crazy in it. I'm gonna just do like a light little cleanup. Yeah, that right there, you can already, I can feel that, and just tell that that's, oh dang, I ain't even showing y'all. I can feel that and just tell that that's been, something has been embedded inside there. So I'm gonna have to get my steamer and get all that out. But yeah, I'm gonna most likely get most of this cleaned up with the vacuum. Nothing too crazy. I'm just finna use the vacuum just so you can get a general visual of what it would look like with it just clean. Even though at this side is already pretty much clean, so you got your visual right there, but then you got your sides right there that's all dirty from either the weather mats or the little plastic wrap. But that's what we gonna hit, and I'll see y'all once we get done with that. Yes sir. Yes sir, and we're back. So this is the driver's side. Y'all can see, I'm pretty sure y'all can already see a night and day difference right there. If y'all can't, y'all just trying to try me. But if you, I didn't show y'all this side exactly, but shoot, I showed y'all this side in the previous videos and other videos, and even if you fast forward or rewind to the beginning of this video, you will see that of course I cleaned up this part. This is all nice and clean now. Cleaned the carpet. Well, it was pretty much already clean because it had the weather mat and the plastic on there, but we had took that out. I didn't show y'all the before when I took it out, but I showed y'all that side when I took it out. But I cleaned this side. Didn't I have to I'm gonna do some more stuff to clean, get the little spills or whatever that is up off the carpet. All I did was just really use the shop vac and just vacuum it up. I didn't use nothing too crazy, but I cleaned this whole panel all the way up. I cleaned the seats. As you can see, they're a little bit brighter now. I don't think I showed that before, but if you rewind back to the other videos or at the beginning of this video, you'll see that the seats I may have showed the seats in that they was a little dirty, but I cleaned the seats up. This one I'll take out that later because GoPro damn near about to die. But I'm just finna show y'all this though. But I didn't clean these. In order to clean these, I would just take these out and wash these. There's no actual way that you can. Well, there is a way, but it's just these cleaning the seatbelts are just hella tedious. So I'll just rather take them out, throw them in the washing machine, take them and then taking them back out and then reinstalling them. But yeah, I cleaned the carpet, cleaned the panel or the cover, and then cleaned the seats. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I cleaned the seats. And then coming to the door, I didn't show this in the beginning of the video, I don't think, but you, like I was saying before, you can probably go to another video and see how dirty the panel was compared to it is now. I cleaned the black part, which you probably couldn't even tell that it was dirty, but I definitely cleaned the beige or cream part that you could definitely tell that was dirty. So the sun went away on me, so I can't really, it ain't really like a lot of light to show y'all. If it may look the same, then it's because of the lighting, but I can tell that it's definitely a night and day difference. So some of y'all might be able to tell also. But I cleaned this cleaned the door panel also, and then let's go to the back. Going to the back. All right, we're gonna put this seat up. Put the seat all the way up. Just like I was saying on this, just like I was saying on the other side, they do got Coke spillings and or just some type of juice spillings. That's all right there. That stuff in between there, I would have to get like a different solution because that's actually stuck on there, or what's the word for it? Just stained on there, or whatever, however you want to say it. That stuff specifically that's inside there, and of course the Coke stains and all that. But just like I was saying on the other side, I had to take the seat out and do it because I can't reach back there. But I cleaned the middle pillar or middle console on both sides. I'll show you that side. I cleaned the back, vacuumed the back, as y'all can see. Got that all nice and clean. And then let's go to the other side. Also even cleaned the trunk. Let me pop the hood the trunk real quick so y'all can see. I did vacuum the back, vacuumed all this, vacuumed inside the little storage compartments also. Vacuumed that, all over here. That one also, and then these were the weather mats I was telling y'all about. I had already cleaned these and I just put these back here because I ain't gonna use them. So yeah, and then let's go to the driver's side. This is the neat part about this trunk also. You don't have to like slam it to get it cut. All you gotta do is apply a little bit of pressure and it'll lock itself. So going to this side, you already know we did the mats or the floor, and then also on this side we did the seats also. So right here y'all can already pretty much tell that I cleaned the middle part because it's way lighter than the rest of the seat. But this part right here, that's actually a hole that I was freaking scrubbing hella hard, and I was actually making it bigger. So that's why I stopped and left the rest of the seat how it is. So yeah, that's why that's like that. One little panel clean out of the whole seat. But I did clean the sides of the seats, and then the wheel, which is the lumbar support and the headrest and all that. Just like I said before, throw these in the washing machine. Cleaned the pillar. Now I know y'all see a night and day difference between this and then the first time I showed y'all this, because I was dogging the first and second owner about this. But I got this cleaned up. All that was good. Also got the bottom of this panel cleaned up. That's good. I would go in there and show y'all, but all it's gonna do is just get darker, so y'all ain't gonna really be able to see if it's clean or not. But I'll show y'all again in another video once it's daylight. And then also coming to this side of the panel, clean. Let me back up a little bit. I think I may be too close. But yeah, I cleaned this side of the panel also. And then let's go to the back. Let's move to the back of this. Let's go to the back. Okay. All right, now we're gonna put this seat up. Thing up. So then, so yeah, just the same as the other side. We got some stains, juice stains, whatever this is, cleaned in the back. This side was a little bit easier to come out because there was no like freaking embedded or any type of stain that was back here. I pretty much cleaned it all up, or was able to get it off. And then I don't know if y'all remember that stain that was right here before. There was a stain on the other side, but I didn't show y'all that, and I had already cleaned it. But there's a stain that was right here before that I got off, managed to get off and clean. So yeah, like I was saying, I cleaned the whole middle section, or a middle console, and then cleaned the back of it too also. And then, like I was saying before, the trunk. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the interior. I pretty much cleaned the whole seat. I'm gonna have to oh, that's how you do it. Okay, see, I didn't know that there was a button back here that you push up and that you can push the seat all the way forward so you can get better access. Whoa. Okay, so I might be, dang, that's hella dirty right there. I wonder what the other side looked like. Okay, so that's how you clean. So that's how I'm able to get back here. Okay, all right, for sure. Well, now since I know that, I'm gonna try to attempt to clean that up. I might still need more space, so I might still have to take the seat out. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Side panel, as I already showed y'all, and then this cover right here, you already know where this came from. This came a long way. And then you already know the dash and everything. That's pretty much, you can't even tell that that's dirty, but I ain't leave it dirty. I cleaned it just like the rest of the car. So yeah. And then I will probably do a separate video of me cleaning the engine bay also. But yeah, as of right now, we just cleaned actually I'm gonna do the engine bay and the dash, so I'm gonna do that in the whole separate video. But right now it's just the carpet and then the seats and stuff like that. So with that being said, appreciate y'all for watching. God bless y'all, God loves y'all, and keep your head up, kings and queens.